its face. It looks just like my face. Oh, I like this Pokemon. Gravy, are you ready for the poem? Oh, yes. I was just admiring my new friend. He makes sad faces just like me. There are lots of sad, scary things happening right now. So for this week's poem, I wanted to read something a little silly because it is good to have silliness and laughs when things are sad and scary. So today's poem is about flying hot dogs. It is called We're Fearless Flying Hot Dogs by Jack Prulutsky. We're fearless flying hot dogs, the famous unflappable five. We're mustered in formation to climb, to dip, to dive. We spread our wings with relish, then reach for altitude. We're aerobatic wieners, the fastest flying food. We're fearless flying hot dogs. We race with flair and style, then catch up with each other and soar in single file. You never saw such daring, such power and control as when we swoop and spiral, then slide into a roll. The throngs applaud our antics. They cheer us long and loud. There's never a chilly reception. There's never a sour crowd. And if we may speak frankly, we are a thrilling sight. We're fearless flying hot dogs, the delicate essence of flight. That was pretty silly. Not only is it a silly poem, but it has a lot of great food puns with hot dogs, with we've mustered in formation, like mustard, and we spread our wings with relish, like relish on a hot dog. I don't know what relish is made out of. It sure is tasty though. And the throngs are used to pick up hot dogs off of the grill. And in this poem, the throngs are applauding and clapping together for the flying hot dogs. It's a very silly poem, but it's very clever too, which is really neat. You don't see a lot of silly, clever poems, and Jack Prulutsky is very good at silly, clever poems. That is all for this week's poem. Stay tuned next week for another poem. You can see the sun is shining behind me, so even if things are sad and scary right now, just think of flying hot dogs. This made me hungry. Me too. Come on, Sobel, let's go get some hot dogs.